delays. Severe delays still for the Northern, Central, Jubilee and Hampton City lines and for the Piccadilly line between Acton and Heathrow. Minor delays are affecting the Metropolitan District and Victoria lines, and we've still got minor delays for trams between New Addington and West Croydon. And of course a reminder that a rail strike is coming up tomorrow. Rail workers who are RMT union members will strike on Tuesday the 13th and Wednesday the 14th, and again Friday the 16th and Saturday the 17th.